Have another exercise, and in this exercise we will create some index patterns or grid patterns using multiple shape files. Our first step will be to add our project area or region of interest files into ArcMap. Then we will just go to a search pan and then write index. uh, Here this will show you a grid index feature like this. From here you will just click on it, and then add your ROI here. And from this pattern you can select different measurements like feet, meter, inches. I will just choose kilometers, as I need kilometer grids, and I need 4 by 4 kilometer grids. I need to add here 4 by 4. This will show you some rows and columns which are going to extract against this ROI file, and then you will just click on it, and this will make 4 by 4 grids for your research area. Here you can see your grid patterns like this one. These are 4 by 4 kilometer grids. You can change their symbology as well. You can change your outline width as well from here. And these are some 4 by 4 grids against each shapefile. The next step is to create another. You can make 1 by 1 kilometer grids for your working as well. Same process. You will just select grid index feature and add your file for a study area, and just select kilometers, 1 by 1 kilometers. This will create 1297 rows and 1240 columns. Just click OK to proceed further. Here you can see 1 by 1 grid kilometer pattern grids and at your screen. From here you can change your symbology as well for these grids. Here are in cyan color. You can see your 1 by 1 kilometer grids. You can verify from this pattern as well. So I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching this video.